Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your portable air conditioner suddenly stops blowing cold air and it feels like the compressor never turns on, it can definitely become disturbing, especially when the fan still seems to run normally. Sometimes the unit powers up but only pushes room temperature air, while other times cooling completely disappears without any obvious reason. A problem like this can happen because of temperature settings, airflow restrictions, overheating, drainage issues, or temporary system interruptions that stop the compressor from starting properly. Before assuming something major completely stopped working, there are a few simple things worth checking because many compressor related problems can improve after quick adjustments. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to help fix a portable air conditioner compressor not turning on. Try these. Step 1. Lower the cooling setting on the portable air conditioner to encourage compressor startup. Step 2. Restart the portable air conditioner if the compressor stays silent after powering on. Step 3. Clean the filter inside the portable air conditioner if airflow feels weak. Step 4. Check the drain section of the portable air conditioner for extra water buildup. Step 5. Give the portable air conditioner space around vents if overheating feels possible. Step 6. Test the portable air conditioner again and confirm the compressor starts cooling normally.